1. You passed intermediate and both the preliminary and main joint entrance examinations for admission into premier institutions in the country. Surprisingly, you failed to get a ranking for exercising the options due to the negligence of the intermediate board. Your family members also are worried about your future. Many students received similar treatment. Draft a representation as an affected candidate to the Honorable Minister for Higher Education of your state for kind intervention and justice, and take up the matter with the authorities, at the same time punishing the erring officials who caused anxiety and mental agony to students. 2. United India Insurance Company Limited, a leading non-life insurance company, requires assistance for its offices located all over India. Any graduate possessing knowledge of typing and office applications on computers eligible should be below 30 years. A recruitment test consists of a written test and an interview for those who are qualified in the test. The candidate must know the language of the state to be considered for appointment. However, he is liable to be posted anywhere in India. The online application and other details can be obtained from the official website of the company. Draft an advertisement. 3. You wanted to purchase a flat in Trunk Road, Nellore. Obtaining loan from Housing Development Finance Company. You approached Mr. Prasad, a certified civil engineer and architect, for the valuation of the house. He valued the house at rupees 30 lakhs and recommended for a loan of rupees 20 lakhs. Draft a letter from Mr. Prasad to the branch manager of the finance company Nellore for sanction of the loan on the terms and conditions of the company and production of original sale deed and other documents. State that the balance amount shall be contributed by the individual. 4. The Andhra Pradesh Forest Development Corporation, Southern Region, Guntur, invites sealed tenders from nurseries for supply of various plants to the different stock points in district headquarters. The terms and conditions and the tender forms can be obtained from the purchase manager of the corporation at its office on payment of rupees 100 before 10th instant. The last date for receipt of the filled in tenders is 30th instant. The earnest money deposit and other details are available in the tender document. The selected bidder should arrange transportation to the respective stock points within 10 days. Draft tender notice.